Presidents of the Bar Association from different states are going to reach the Supreme Court tomorrow at 10 a.m. BJ Trivedi, President Gujarat High Court Advocates Association, along with the President of Karnataka and Kerala Bar Association, will be reaching Delhi. Our colleague Riyanka joins us for more. Riyanka, now this story only getting bigger. Please let us know what is the latest. The presidents of the Bar Associations reaching Delhi. They will be in the Supreme Court tomorrow. There are certain meetings that took place today as well.
See, we already are aware that the Allahabad High Court Bar Association has already opposed the move that has been given in the recommendation of transfer by the Supreme Court Collegium for Justice Yashwant Verma to Allahabad High Court. This has been opposed by the Bar Association there, and this particular opposition that has been put forward by the Allahabad High Court Bar Association has been supported by several bar associations across India, includes the Bar Association in Gujarat, in Oudh, as well as in Kolkata, in Kerala. So what we understand that today the team, or three-member team of the Allahabad High Court Bar Association had come into the national capital. They held a meeting with the centre. They had put forward their demands, and to support and give more power to the Allahabad High Court Bar Association in their opposition to the Supreme Court's collegium. We understand that presidents of several other bar associations will be coming in the national capital tomorrow at 10 a.m. They will be reaching Supreme Court, and several meetings are expected to take place regarding the putting forward their demands of a probe being launched by the CBI and the ED in this very particular case, a registry of an FIR, scrutiny of the verdicts given by Justice Yashwant Verma previously. So these are the demands that have been put forward by the Allahabad High Court Bar Association, and so will be the call from the other bar association presidents who will be coming in the national capital tomorrow at Supreme Court 10 a.m.
As you said, Riyanka, let us also kind of rewind the entire the series of events that have unfurled leading up to this big meeting with the CJI. And I say this because the judiciary in different states has shaken up after this entire incident. There are people who are trying to support Justice Verma, but very few. So just let's just lead into these the kind of meetings that have taken place that will lead to the big meeting with the CJI tomorrow. Riyanka, are you able to hear me? Okay, so Riyanka is not getting me
Yes.
there, but...
Yes.
Okay, go on please.
Right. Absolutely. Another important meeting that is, of course, going to be taking place with the Chief Justice of India. And we know that there is a lot of pressure being growing in front of the judiciary, because at this point in time, the entire legal fraternity is shaken. In fact, there is a point that is coming in that the faith in the judiciary in the minds of people is also somewhere being affected, which is why at this moment, where a huge amount of cash was discovered at this point in time. Also, let us also go ahead and show you the, residence of Justice Yashwant Verma, also giving the details that at present, we are not allowed to move past this particular boundary, given that the security has been heightened. There is a presence of Delhi police officials. To be precisely particular, we know that the DCP New Delhi has arrived nearly 1.5 hours ago. He has entered along with another official and was accompanied by one of the legal staff from the from the Punjab and Haryana High Court as well. We know that the Internal Probe Agency is already investigating the matter. They had entered the outhouse where the fire had taken place, but we continue to show you the visuals from outside Justice Yashwant Verma's residence, where the Delhi police team continues to be present. They have been given the task to protect the particular outhouse where the fire occurred, so that there is no tampering of the evidence, as the internal inquiry, the team that constitutes 3 members, which has been formed by the side of the CJI, can complete their inquiry smoothly. So yes, these are the developments coming in. On the other hand, several meetings, as you rightly mentioned, Sucharita, are on the cards tomorrow, where the bar associations from entire India putting their support to the Allahabad High Court Bar Association there for not accepting Justice Yashwant Verma's recommended transfer to Allahabad High Court.
Thank you so much, Priyanka, for all the update on that big story. And moving on.